Hello and welcome. This is Mudassir Afraz from civiltechnologyforyou.com, and today in this session we will learn about line weight. For example, line weight of these dimensions and the wall are same, okay? But if you want to make difference, or if you are going to print and if you want to show the thickness of the wall here, okay? If you want to make difference between both of these, you can change that one. Let's see what is the line weight right now. Okay, I will go into the layer property panel. Okay, I will click here, okay, to activate, and I will go into the line weight column. You can see all of the line weight is set to the default, so I do not know what is the line weight of the default. So I will go here on screen, I will right click here, I will go into the option, and from here I will go into the user preferences. Okay, this one, and here you can see the option of line weight setting. I will click on this one. Now you can see the default line weight is 0.25 millimeter. Okay, so I have to change this one for the wall layer. I will just apply this one, I will close this one, I will press OK here. I will go again into the layer panel from here, and I want to just change the weight of the walls. Okay, I will go here, I will click on this one, and instead of 0.25 I will just click on 0.35. I will press OK. Now it is going to change. You can see here. Now I will go into the screen. Okay, now nothing is showing here. You can see the line weight is still same. To show this one, I will go here in this panel. Okay, you can see here one of the option, show or hide line weight. I will click on to activate this one. Now you can see here line weight is just activated. Okay, if this option is not visible for you, go into the customization here in this option, and from here you can check this option line weight. Okay, now I want to just print and I want to just see whether this change apply or not. Okay, now I will just press Ctrl plus P from keyboard, and I will make some changes from here. I will just select from here printer or plotter. I will just convert it into drawing to PDF. I have explained this, what is this. Okay, so I will go here, I will choose the paper size as well from here. Okay, and then I will go for window option, and I want to print this one. Okay, print this one, and then what I will do, I will just go into here. Okay, I will just check this one to center the plot, and you can check this one fit to paper as well. You can give the scale as well from here. I want to give 1/20 of scale. Okay, and from here make sure that you have set this to monochrome. Okay, I will select this one and I will go into the preview. Okay, from here you can check this one to don't show it again. I will continue this one, and you can see here line weight of dimension and the wall are different right now. Okay, wall line weight is thick and dimension line weight is as default. Okay, so this is how you can change the line weight from layer panel. Okay, I will exit this one, and I hope you understand this session. I will see you in the next.